Hi everyone, my name is Ujjwal and I welcome you all here. This video is going to be about your request where I received some text saying that how we can create our YouTube channel. So guys, in this quick video, I'm gonna help you that how you can create your own YouTube channel. So let's start. So guys, in order to create your YouTube account or YouTube channel, you need at least one email address. If you don't have, you can just create one by going Chrome and typing Gmail, and then you can reach on Gmail page, and from there by clicking here you can just create your own Gmail account. It's gonna open my personal Gmail account, but this is how you can create your own Gmail account. And once you have your Gmail account or your email address, you can proceed further. You can just go to the page of YouTube, and here you can see the sign that says sign in. You just need to click on that, and once you click here, this page will open. And here, if you have already saved few email addresses, it will give you the option. Since you the new and you don't have any, you can just go and click on use another account here, and you can tap and add new account. But since I have this already added, I'm gonna click here that says Erfisto. Here it is asking me to enter my password. I'm not sure if I remember. Let me try. And now you just need to go, you need to click on your this icon, and you have to go here that says create a channel, and then you need to tap here. Once you tap here, it will say your creator journey begins. Just click on get started. And now it is asking me to use your name, use a custom name. So I can use a custom name if I want. I can change this picture if I want, but I want to go default. Just let's click here, and now it's look like that I have my YouTube channel. So let's go and try to do something with it. Let's click here and we'll reach to our YouTube studio where after creating a YouTube channel we can do our stuff, like we can upload videos, we can save our playlist, we can like someone's video, we can comment on their videos, and this is all we can do after creating a YouTube account or YouTube channel. And now it is showing me my channel dashboard where it is showing me that I don't have any recent video uploaded. My subscriber count is 0 because that's my new channel. So this is how you can simply create a YouTube channel. It was very simple, and now just by clicking on create you can upload videos and stuff. One more thing you can do with the channel is you can edit this stuff. Let's try doing that by just going to your channel, and here we can go to the about section, and you can see it says there's nothing. So just click on customize channel, and here we can add anything about us in the about section, so the people can know that what we do and what is our content. And you can do so many things with it. You can change your logos, your banner image, your background. You can add a video watermark, so in every video is going to be default here. But by coming in basic info, you can uh, write anything about you, so your viewers can know. You can add your links that will show on your top page, that you show on your front page. You can add your email address that for the business queries. So that's all for this vid guys. If you have any comments, let me know. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.